So yalla yalla is let's go?
Let's go, yeah.
We're exploring the culture of Qatar in the Middle East, including local food, architecture, sports, traditions, and adventure.
And is that marble on the walls?
Yes.
These horses are not roughing it.
From horseback riding to falconry.
It depends on the type of the falcon itself and the usage of this falcon. The price might go up to 1 million Qatari riyal.
Okay, I'm gonna have to save up for that falcon.
She was a pioneer of her time, and so she is the first Qatari lady to enter the souk with all these men.
I think the artifacts that we have says a lot about not just Qatar, but this part of the world, and I think it makes people proud to be in Qatari.
To soccer and dune bashing.
We are carrying a very heavy responsibility, showcasing the beauty of our culture.
The world is waiting.
On Travels with Darley in Qatar.